The best stand mixers that are affordable. If you are a baking enthusiast, you might have thought about taking your baking skills to the next level. We have created a list of the best affordable stand mixers to help you choose the right one. These mixers can help you save time beating eggs and kneading dough, allowing you to make baked goodies like cookies and cakes in large quantities. With various features, including hands-free, increased speed, and time efficiency, these stand mixers help you work efficiently. These mixers do not burn a hole in your pockets and simultaneously deliver all you need for a seamless baking experience. So explore our list to know more about the stand mixers and make an informed decision. Number 1. Best Lightweight Stand Mixer. Stand mixer comes at an affordable price and with several features. This stand mixer has a smooth exterior with chrome trim that gives it a retro look. It is ideal for those looking for a small mixer for everyday use, as it is only 12.5 inch tall and weighs less than 5 pounds. Although the mixer is compact, it still packs a punch with its 250W powerful motor and 6-speed control. The mixer's fully tilting motor head provides an easy and mess-free way to remove the mixing bowl, the beater, and the dough hook. Dash's pastel-colored kitchen stand mixer is suitable for making baked goods, creamy dressings, frosting, meringue, and more. Sweet or savory, the Dash stand mixer is your perfect kitchen accessory for frosting, meringue, creamy dressings, doughs, baked goods, and more. Dash stand mixer is backed by a 1-year manufacturer warranty and includes a 3QT stainless steel mixing bowl, 2 dough hooks, 2 mixer beaters, recipe book and recipe database access. It's a lightweight and easy to lift. Perfect size for countertops. Quality steel mixing bowl. Easy to store. Versatile. Number 2. Best with powerful motor. Aucma stand mixer. Aucma 6.5 quart capacity stand mixer for baking is suitable for beginners who want to try their hands at making cakes, cookies, loaves of bread, muffins, and other pastries. The high-performance mixer features a 660W powerful copper motor and 6 optimized speeds that enable users to shift between slow, medium, and heavy mixing. The mixer's tilt head design and dual handles make attaching and removing the stainless steel bowl and other accessories easy. Along with the mixer stand and bowl, you'll also find a dough hook, mixing beater, and whisk included in the package. This item is a splash guard for mess-free mixing. Convenient handle. 4 anti-slip suction cups. Easy to use speed dial with LED indicator. Fits perfectly under cabinets. Easy to assemble and disassemble. Number 3. Best performance. Cuisinart SM50BK stand mixer. Yet another great stand mixer on the market is the die-cast metal mixer from Cuisinart. The machine offers solid performance with its 500W motor and features a 5.5 quart capacity stainless steel bowl, which is roomy enough to make bread, cakes, cookies, and other recipes. It also lets you prepare batters and doughs at different speeds with the turn of a dial. As with most stand mixers, this too features a tilt head design, letting you attach and detach the bowl and other accessories easily. This product is available in 6 colors. Includes a whisk, dough hook, and flat mixing paddles. Splash guard to prevent messy mixing. Provides 12 different speed options. Features 1 power outlet for optional attachments. Suitable for pastries, pasta, and ice cream. Pasta extruder, pasta roller and cutters, ice cream maker, meat grinder and spiralizer, all colors available in silver lining, onyx, periwinkle blue, ruby red, white linen and robin's egg. Number 4. Best compact. Cooklee SM1551 stand mixer. The unique square frame of the Cooklee stand mixer makes it look compact, yet adds more capacity to the mixing bowl. The stand mixer features a stainless steel bowl that is wide enough to accommodate big batches of batter and dough. Additionally, the mixer's 660W motor and a 10-speed range help you knead dough, mix thick batters, and whip cream at high and low speeds. With the flat beater, dough hook, and wire whisk included in the package, you can use the mixer to perform different tasks and create various recipes. Moreover, the accessories and bowl are dishwasher safe. This item is easy to clean. Mess-free mixing with pouring shield. Includes cookbook and spatula. Planetary mixer leaves no contents behind. Tilt head designed to easily access the bowl. Anti-slip suction cup for stability. This SM1551 stand mixer practices a combination of classical and popular. The best ornament in your kitchen you shouldn't miss. Number 5. Best operation. Vivohome stand mixer. Whether you want to knead dough, mix a salad, or whip up some cream, Vivohome's electric stand mixer helps you do the job. Its 660W powerful motor, 6-speed control with pulse function, and 7.5-quart stainless steel mixing bowl allow you to prepare big batches of cakes, cookies, loaves of bread, and many more recipes. This stand mixer also comes with 3 multi-purpose accessories: beater, dough hook, and wire whisk, which help prep various baking and cooking recipes. This item is easy to operate. Tilt head feature to easily access the bowl. Strong suction cups for stability. Lightweight, easy to clean. Minimizes splashes. Includes 2 heat vents. Comes with 3 multi-purpose accessories: aluminum dough hook, stainless steel wire whisk, and aluminum mixing beater. Different tool accessory matches various kitchen needs, such as making dough, biscuits, pastries, muffins, waffles, etc. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, does check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.